Hey, what is going on guys? My name is Chris and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Trading 212 as always, but I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 ways in which I make money using Trading 212. Now, before we get into today's video, I would just like to say, if you could drop a like and even subscribe to the channel, that does really help me out. As such a small channel like mine, a like can go a really long way to getting my channel out there and getting content out to those who may be interested. So if you could drop a like and subscribe, that would be great. I'll just give you a second to do that. Done it? Sure? Okay, cool. Now that that's out of the way, we can move on to today's video. So like I said, Trading 212 is the app that I use to invest into the stock market. And there's actually 3 ways that I'm currently making money using the app. So for those of you who might not know what Trading 212 is, I'll just give you like a little brief description of what it is. So basically Trading 212 is an app-based broker that allows me and you to invest into the stock market with 0% commission. That essentially means that they're not taking any little margin on how often we buy or sell our stock. So if we buy it for £1, they're not taking a margin on that, they're not taking any commission. So whatever we spend is what we get in return in that share. And it's a very popular app. I think just looking at their Twitter most recently, they've hit over 500,000 active users. And that's no surprise due to kind of what's going on in the world at the moment, and everyone's trying to get into the stock market and learn ways to kind of take advantage of the crash that's going on at the moment. So no surprise there that the app is seeing a lot of activity and growing and becoming far more popular. And like myself, I'm no different really. I'm there to kind of grow my sort of net worth and invest into the stock market, and that is why I'm using Trading 212. So now that we know what the app is and kind of a bit around how it works and why I use it, the first way in which I make money using Trading 212 is one that's maybe not so obvious, but really actually a good way to get yourself going, especially with investing and getting to grips with kind of just having a bit of a portfolio. And that is using their free share URL kind of link thing that they offer. So essentially what it is a free sign up link that you can use to sign up to Trading 212. Now if you use this unique referral link that I will be leaving in the description of today's video, so if you do want to sign up, there will be a link in the description that you can use. But essentially by using that link in my description, you will get a free share on Trading 212 when you deposit just £1, just one whole pound. Now I don't know about you, but £1 isn't a lot when you're talking about investing and spending any kind of money. I mean, £1 is what, a couple of packets of crisps, a bar of chocolate or something. So really small amount of money. So all you have to do is using that link is sign up to Trading 212, deposit that £1, and then Trading 212 will give you a stock worth up to £100. So you see, you invest £1, you spend £1, and you could get up to £100 return. So for me, for example, I've had stocks like Under Armour come through, where that's been about a £10 stock. So I've made easily £9 just like that, so quickly. And all I had to do was sign up. And then the beauty of it with the referral link is when you've signed up to Trading 212, you deposited your £1, you've got your free stock. You can then use your unique referral code to get other people to sign up, deposit the £1, and you will keep getting free stocks to increase your portfolio. And essentially it's free money. And all you have to do is use that unique referral link. And so you can quite easily get quite a few stocks and quite a few shares into your portfolio with so little investment. And you can do that up to 20 times. So you can use that referral link up to 20 times to get yourselves a free stock worth up to £100. And that's what I've been doing. I have to be honest, I've been using that link to share it with my friends, to encourage them to sign up if they want to. And I've been able to get a few stocks and a few shares that have increased my portfolio that I've either sold on or kept hold of, that has been able to kind of grow my portfolio. And again, like I said, really, I'm not really spending a whole lot and I'm getting that for free. So that is number 1. tip number one is use that unique referral link, sign up, deposit £1 and get a share worth up to £100. So the second way in which I am making money on trading 212 that you can do just as easy as me is through capital gains and growth stocks. So essentially it's when you buy a stock at £10 and then 2 months later it's £30 and you've made that £20 difference. So essentially it's the basics of trading and the stock market. You buy a stock, you hold that stock, and you hope that over time that stock will grow. Now, obviously, not every stock is going to go up straight away. There will be dips and roller coasters, and it will go up and down. But the whole idea behind stock investing and trading is that over a long period of time, stocks do genuinely trade up, and they do increase in value over a period of time. So that is what I've been doing. I've been investing into companies that I believe are going to stand the test of time, companies that are financially very strong, companies that are going to continue to grow, like likes of Tesla and Amazon. You know, for Tesla, for example, is trading at I think about £2,200 at the moment. And back in March, just after the crash, it was trading at 500. So that's pretty much over 4x'd between March and August. So you can see that there is a lot of growth. Obviously Tesla is a unique example. That's not happening with every company, but there are a lot of growth companies out there and stocks that you can invest in to make good returns and good growth. And at the moment, I think my portfolio sits, I'm going to put it up on the screen somewhere around here, at 25% return and about 400 or 450 pounds, something in those regions. But I'll put up the exact price of where I'm at the moment. So that's easy money again that I'm making. All I've done is invest in companies that I've done a bit of research in, that I kind of believe it, and then I've left it. I've just let it sit. I've not done any hard work. I've just invested, and over a period of time, those stocks have grown. And again, you know, from a passive income perspective, I've had to do very little to do that. So that is tip number two, the way in which I am increasing and making money using trading 212. Now, number three on the list, I should say, and the way I make money is through dividends. So dividends, for those of you who don't know what a dividend is, essentially a dividend is a small percentage of a company's earnings that it gives back to its shareholders. So essentially, like Apple's a really good example. They've had a very good time of lately, and they've been basically paying back their shareholders a small percentage of their company's earnings. So if you earn one share of Apple, for example, like myself, I think I have nearly 1.5, maybe 2. If you have a share in that company, they'll give you back a small percentage of what that share is worth. And I'll put up on the screen here as well on the side of the dividends that I've been returning already. So my portfolio isn't heavily focused on dividends, but there are companies that I do believe in that I think, you know, are going to stand the test of time, that are dividend focusing companies. And I'm slowly starting to build a bit of money from those dividends. And what I'm trying to do, and what I encourage people to do, is those dividends that you get from the company. Now, I mean, honestly, they're small amounts of money, being completely honest. As you can see here, we're sort of looking at 30, 80, 50p's. But what I'm doing is I'm reinvesting that money back into that stock. So I'm increasing my hold on that company, increasing my share value of that company. So over time, as I keep reinvesting those dividends, I'll keep making more dividends back because I'll have more shares in that company. So for me, it's a bit of a slower burner one, but it's a great way of getting some passive income. And like I said, all you have to do is keep reinvesting that, and over time, those dividends returns will become bigger and greater. And normally dividends are paid out every quarter, some monthly, but I'm pretty sure for the most part quarterly. So you can start to think about how much dividend return you'll get on a yearly basis, obviously just times that by 4. But as you can see, over time, that will grow. And that is another great way within trading 212 that I am making money. And if I can do it using these 3 methods, you can too. It's really, really sort of simple to do. It's a really user-friendly platform. I've done a review on the Trading 212 platform and my thoughts about it. So if you do want to watch that, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check that video out. But like I said, they're the 3 ways in which I'm making money using the platform. If you have any questions or want to ask me anything in the comments, please do leave them down in the description. But that is it for me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope this has been helpful. And like I said, any questions around how to make money using Trading 212, just leave it down in the descriptions. But if you can, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said at the beginning, it really helps me out. And like I said, I'm a very, very small channel, so every like really, really does make a difference. And if you do want to subscribe and see more of this and more content, then please do. I would really, really appreciate it. But until next time, I'll speak to you guys later.